go. That's mad annoying that I just did it like that, though. Hopefully this shit loads soon. Regardless, this shit's still gonna get caught.
Alright, tap into it. 15-minute OB.
Yeah. Let's look at NQ as well. Yeah, NQ reversed heavily off the OB, which makes sense. Which makes sense because we took out so much liquidity. And
Yeah, is that right?
like I mentioned here, we came down, came up, came down, so now we're kind of coming back up. Are we going to continue up from here? I don't think so. If it does, though, it does. You know what I'm saying? But it most certainly be an unorthodox move because the zone that is playing off of is literally resting at, fractal trendline liquidity. So I think we're still going to come down, but seeing a natural pullback, which is fair. Like, come and clear all this out. Regardless, not a trade for me. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'll watch gold and let's see if we can get the sales to continue. See if we get the sales to continue, man. Yo, damn, that was a fast ass hour, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, soon by quick. Alright.
Shit, stream was running for a whole hour. Like, damn. All right. Well,
Okay. Close above this. No longer valid.
shit, man. If this shit decide to go higher, which it really can, that would be crazy. That would be
Yeah, for real.
crazy.
And so like literally printed a bearish model, like
Yo, I'm
they
sticking
printed
to
a
my
bearish.
bias, bro. I'm not even going. Fuck that. If it goes long, I miss the trade. I don't take nothing on a day, and that's that, bro. And at the end of my session, like I stop. I usually, ideally, I try to stop taking anything after 10:30. 11 o'clock really is like the final cutoff. Um,
Mhm.
and the only reason niggas will stay after 10:30 is because the setup is literally in play type shit, and we watching it. But
Yes, 10:30.
if there was if there was no setup that was genuinely in front of niggas in play, I'll just cut the shit right here. That's it,
Yeah, so
bro.
it's over.
Shit.
15-minute close. What time is it? Yeah, I got 15 minutes.
Hey,
15
I'm
minutes.
legit. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, stream. We locked in, man. We locked in. We locked in, bro.
Yeah, so minute.
This is where I used to be. I used to get on it, like take trades, and I would take it off the one, try to snipe this shit. I would try to snipe this shit. That shit used to be horrible win rate, horrible. But when them shits hit, them bitches went. Oh my god.
Nah, no funny shit. OD.
1 to 10, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Like I remember the last time I caught a 1 to 8. I think the last time I caught a 1 to 8 was last year. And that's how fake top TJR and all them 1 minute niggas be trading. Them niggas be
Yeah, that
getting
cool.
early as hell.
Like this like minutes left. Ugh, nasty. But I bet. See no more. We just sit here.
Like, I'm about to be extra patient. I'm taking the watch, bro. Niggas is about to take the perfect trade. I'd rather let this shit go without me than take it before it does this. Bro. I want to see a proper retracement after bearishness comes in. And that can happen right now. That can happen after it taps into the SMT. But as you can see, a new model is actually forming, right? Build up, liquidity sweep. We trap the buyers. Now we're moving down. It's the same thing on repeat.
Mhm. On different time. You on a 1 minute.
Yeah. But even on a five, it's like
Yeah, the 5 minute too.
build up, liquidity sweep. We trap the buyers. Now we're moving down. So if we can close beneath this next candle, that becomes a nice signal that we could go lower. I'm not gonna take it from there, but that's a really nice signal. At the same time, though, I'm watching a one, two to see if it confirms this gap that it just created.
Yeah, that gap. Yeah, yeah.
Because now that we kind of came up, now we came down, coming back up, we start going down. You know what I'm saying? That, again, that becomes a nice signal. Wouldn't expect it to just go straight through this. I think once we get here, we'll see another move back up, and then we start to see everything else get cleared. But yeah, I ain't going against my buys. If this shit wanna go up, nigga. I ain't gonna take that. Bro, fuck this shit. Fuck these niggas, bro. These niggas done
All right, so new 5 minute candle just opened and it didn't close.
the 15 telling me. 15 not telling me shit. 15 telling me that we could still potentially sell off with this nice wick. You know what I mean? But other than that, man, it's not telling me shit. I'm gonna watch this shit from a zoomed out POV. Fuck zooming in. Testing, 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 testing. One, two, one, two, one, two. Bro. Testing. Oh, alright. It's better. Nice. Go. What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? You've been forming entries later in the sessions lately. I don't know what you've been on. I don't know what you've been on. You like to set up around 9:30. I don't know why you. And it did. You seen 9:30 literally boom and shit. And now this shit. You know what I mean? It's like, oh yeah. Okay, so let's see how that looks on the one, right? So he came and swept this out. Yeah, yeah. So on a 1 minute, if it closed below this low, that becomes really that becomes the aggressive entry to take.
What was that?
That
All right,
becomes
there.
yeah. If it closed below that low, that would become the aggressive entry to take. But I'm not gonna take that because I just want free bread. I want to know for sure. I just want free bread. If it's not free, I don't want that shit.
Still not free. I don't want that shit.
For real, bro. Gold ain't getting me, bro. I didn't. Hell no, bro. I'm too locked. I'm too locked, bro. I'm too locked. I know I'm not tripping when I did my analysis. I ain't flipping shit. Not flipping vibes. Want to go up? Go up, nigga. Go up. Go up. That's it. Niggas fuck. NQ blowing my shit though. NQ not. NQ. I don't know what this shit doing.
I ain't worried about that shit no more. That shit done.
What?
Mother don't you showed me down. I'm like, yeah,
This shit done. Punk. This shit done. ping pong back up. Hey, check that out, NQ. Good, bro. That shit done. This shit might just reverse. This shit might end up going higher. Just cause,
Going
just be,
higher. No funny shit.
just cause how manipulated the markets is. Like nigga, on the price action, this shit really should go lower. But on some manipulated market shit, the government not gonna allow another fucking crash like no
I
cap.
swear to God, bro, that shit too much.
It's too much, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if it still end up going lower, but this shit is crazy, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, go.
Yeah, let's go. I got what about 1 minute
All
left.
right. All right, so if this candle
Let's
closes, like I like this break of the candle. I really like the signal for the break of the candle. I'm actually happy to take it because I don't see no imbalance below it. So you know what I'm saying? Technically, if it closes beneath this candle, it should just continue lower.
at least come to this swing low.
This the next one that right here, right?
Yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah,
Yeah, nah, word. I probably wouldn't even hold it too long. I'll try to max it out. I'll probably try to max it out on some max TP. Um, try to score 1400, 1500 on the day, just so I can move closer toward passing the combine. But I ain't gonna force none. Um, okay.
it's forward and but rejecting it.
The 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour candle still like you know what I mean, shit still bearish. Like it's just wicks, so it's like, ugh.
Yeah, that close. Oh, that probably close nasty as fuck.
Oh shit,
Time to
chat.
to call.
I'm waiting, gold. I'm waiting. You about to give me some free bread on, bro. Gold about to give me some free bread. If the sell set up. What? Mm, Look at the order flow. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. We in. I'm about to take that. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Hold on, chat. I swear I'm about to take those. Just watch me. Just watch me. Chat, do I wait for the closure or do I take it purely off the breaks? Yeah, I think I'm about to take it off the break, bro. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Alright, chat. I took it purely off the break. Um, I ain't gonna lie, I went in really heavy with this trade, but it's because I'm confident and I'm actually oversized on this trade, believe it or not. I usually max out at 1K risk. This has 1.4 on the line. If it loses, that would stink. But it's a combine, so I don't really give a fuck. So yeah, everything I needed to see was present. Simple as that. I ain't gonna lie, this is not free bread though, because I didn't wait for the close. I didn't wait for the close, so it's not free bread. This is risky bread. I ain't gonna lie. This is risky bread. This is real risky. but at the same time, I know it's a confirmation signal, and I see how the one. I really took it off the strength of because the one. Look at the one. You see this candle? That's why I took it. This closed like that, confirming this order flow. I'm like, okay. And then I seen, okay, it translates to a break at a five. Yeah, yeah, that's good enough for me. It's not free bread though, but it's good enough for me. It should really just go lower. It should really just go lower. Look at that. That's beautiful patience, Chad. I ain't gonna lie. That like, come on, bro. We getting back in that mode, bro. October, like we, yeah, let's go. On my life, on my life. Hold on, Chad. Actually, I'll do the log and this shit later. On my life, I'll let y'all watch this shit play out, bro. So y'all know this shit real. So y'all know this shit real. That's where discretion becomes key. Like, like this isn't free bread, and I'm aware this trade could be a loser. And if it is, GG's in the chat. I know I still took a valid trade regardless. I was really patient. Um, and yeah, I executed off of a fractal phase five. So this isn't like a proper phase five entry, but it's a fractal one, right? You see how these wicks kind of form. If you go to the lower time frame, you see, look, look, look. We came here, boom. We came down, we retraced. We came down, we retraced. Now we confirm this area, and then we came. So off the break, I know it's good to go because we tapped twice, create that order flow. So yeah, man, yeah, let's go, let's go. Rinse and repeat, bro. This is how it's gonna be moving forward on my life. Straight patience. One shot, one kill. What are you talking about? See, and that's exactly why I didn't want to wait for the close because I knew this could happen. Look how far down it closed, right? It can still come back up now that it closed, it can give the retest entry, but it doesn't have to. It could just ram lower. You see what I'm saying? So I'm like, I know that off the strength of this play, you know, there was no imbalance. That was really why I took it early. If there was imbalance, that guaranteed we'd see some kind of pullback. All right, cool. I'm gonna wait. But I know that there's no imbalance, so it's like once it get going, bro, bye bye, bye bye. You can't make this shit up, bro. It's you know what I mean. You gotta be around for a while to really understand this shit. But it's like yeah, that's what we on, bro. Nice little 1R. That's all you need. That's all you need to get rich from the market. That's all you need to get rich from the market. You don't need no 5R, no 6R. Hit 1R at 80%. You're gonna be rich as hell. Gonna be rich as hell. I ain't gonna lie though. I ain't gonna lie though. I gotta move my stop. You feel me? I gotta move my stop right there because it's like it really shouldn't even really come back up for real. Like it could come back up within the gap, but it really should not come back up because there's no imbalance. It should come take this out and then come back up. You feel me? So my TP should get hit before we see a retracement. I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, it could definitely come back up. You feel me? Like I'm like it's doing right now. You feel me? We just took out a low, so it's natural to see come retracement price action. But I think because there's no imbalance, I don't think it's gonna be enough to send prices all the way up like that. And if it does, that just becomes an unorthodox trade that sucks to be in. You know what I'm saying? But if we're going off of traditional price action, we should see price continue just going lower to come and take this low out. And once we do that, right, you can start to see a potential retracement. So then keep going lower, right? Take these lows out. And that's when maybe going into tomorrow we can start to see prices start going higher again. But I know I'm in a good trade. It's just about letting it play out. I'm managing my shit effectively. You know what I mean? Regardless of the outcome of this trade, I literally cannot take another trade. So uh, my account is gonna be locked out. So let's see. I don't know.
hoping time worth it. I'm just hoping prevail. I'm just trying to hold on. Let the skies cape prevail. I don't give a fuck what happened to this trade. It's a dummy account.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
wasn't
I
supposed
like
to have this account. I didn't even know I had this account.
for real, for real, bro. Yeah, bro. Come on, go. Come on. I know you want to go lower, so don't play right now. Don't play with me, cuz. I know you want to go lower.
Yes.
Fuck, we're gonna be right back in business going this October. Fuck y'all niggas. Fuck. I had to go through that.
Ooh, ooh.
I don't look at P&L, nigga. I don't look at that shit when I'm in a trade. I don't never look at that shit no more. I look at the price action. What is the price
Right.
telling? P&L. I remember I really used to be doing that though.
Looking at the P&L.
Yeah, I would watch that shit change and fluctuate. It's like there's really no
That shit
point in
fuck
doing
with
that.
your head. That shit fuck with your head.
Dead ass.
Trust and believe that shit fuck with your head.
I just feel like once you get used to watching the price action and paying attention to that, you realize there's actually zero point in watching your P&L.
Mm-hmm.
Like unless you really on some live account can withdraw type shit whenever you want,
Mm-hmm.
you really like it don't really make sense to watch because that shit not helping
Yeah, it's not. It's really not. It's making everything, bro. Literally
you. Oh
is.
god.
It's making everything fucking worse.
Yeah, bro. So I made a new rule for myself like a minute ago, just like don't look at the P&L while you're in a trade. Just focus on the price action and everything else gonna take care of itself. But regardless, I've now got appropriate risk on this trade, uh, 40%, which is about average. So 40% to me, damn near, uh, you know, damn near like 56%. So let's see how much is it might be more. 1480, 1500. How much out of 200? That might be more. I ain't gonna lie. 1500. That's 75%. So damn near. It's a lot. 75% risk going into the trade, pretty much. Right. 1400. Yeah, about 70% risk going into the trade. So that's really heavy. Like that's not normal at all. But it's like I had no problem doing it because I know my model, and this was the signal. This was the signal. Okay. What it's doing right now is natural, right? Because this, when you look at it from a proper model perspective, we came up, we came down, we came up, we came down again. So what we doing? Come up one more time, so we could go down. And that would be this would be the free bread entry that's about to set up.
Oh, the free bread. I might start saying that shit. It's free
No
bread.
cap, bro. Free. Shit is free. It just I didn't want to wait for it because I didn't want to risk getting at a lower price when our targets were already pretty close.
Yes, sir.
Um, that was really my logic. But now that I think about it, even getting in here wouldn't have been bad because at least once it confirms, like it's not coming back. Like it's gonna go down, probably retrace like that, and then come attack these lows. So that's like the perk of being in free bread. But hey, regardless, I took a valid trade. Let's see what's it looking like on the 15. On the 15, things look sketch. I won't lie. Things look sketch, but I like how the 15 swept out previous candle, came into the supply, closed bearish beneath this
Mhm.
close. You know what I mean? It didn't close bearish beneath the wick, but it closed bearish beneath this. That's a real signal that's bearish. So we really should just continue lower. right? There's no imbalance or anything that's playing off of. If price was to continue higher, that would literally be unorthodox. That would literally be some non-traditional like bullshit PA that you can't do nothing about.
Hmm.
But other than that, I mean, just gonna let it play. Gonna let it play, man. Gonna let it play. It's crazy because I didn't even like. It's not even like my heart rate or nothing. It changed. Like even when I went in with heavy size, I was sure like this shit. I really, I don't know if it's a good thing. I think it's a good and a bad thing, but like really became desensitized to this shit, bro.
I want to see. I'm pretty sure. No, okay. Oh, let me go to my Safari then. I want to see about another.
1049.
I want to see about a top step account.
Yeah. I love Top
Like
Step. I
going.
just hate these fucking activation fees, bro.
How much is supposed to be?
Activation fees?
Mm,
Them should be like 150, bro.
yeah.
That should be annoying because it's like you just passed the whole combine, and it's like,
Yeah.
oh my god, like paying those fees be like, bro, like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
like
I ain't
it
gonna
feels
lie.
like,
Like,
yeah, it just feel like unnecessary bread is leaving you. It's like, bro, what the fuck? 150? Like they should, like this shit should be a
I ain't
hundred
saying it though.
max.
Yeah, like one
But you know what?
nigga.
It's all good. It's all good, bro. Like once these accounts is passed, like I'm gonna have to drop 300 just to get them up and active, like just to get them up and active. But it's like, hey, charge it to the game, and that's not to mention all the other evals I blew before these sets.
Yeah.
I already dropped hella bread on evals this month, bro.
I'm already knowing, cuz like I'm already knowing that shit.
Oh my gosh, bro, niggas not gonna
But
believe me, cuz it's like the but that ass though, that shit just like damn, that shit add up like 500, $600 quick. Like that shit fucking me up. But I don't care though because it's like that's business expense. I'm learning. I'm getting
yeah,
better.
no cap. That's how I look at it as a business.
Word, bro.
I really how I look at it as a business.
No funny shit, bro. It's like, man, if niggas gonna spend money on something. It's gonna be this shit. What is you talking about? I ain't buy no drip. I really did not buy no drip.
You don't need two niggas for what? To make it look like
Yo.
you know how to trade, nigga. You gonna buy it to look like you know how to trade. All niggas gotta do
Uh,
is show you know how to
no funny shit. Cause like the
for
real,
free.
yeah, bro. And the reality is we gotta just get to that point where it's like our results are so heavy that like we only buying drip because that shit is like chump money now.
Exactly. That's just extra money. Cause we're gonna get to a point where it's like, damn, I don't even know. Man,
I don't even know what to do with this
I got extra bread. I don't even know what to do with this shit. Oh my
shit.
mind. No funny food.
All
Cause
right,
that come
guys.
after reinvesting. That come after for me. Oh shit.
I'm
That come
break
after
even.
buying land. That come after. Yeah, I'm going break even too. At this candle low.
Go suck my dick, please. For real. Like just hold my nuts, bro. Hold my nuts.
All
I'm
right,
max TP
officially
in this
break
shit.
even.
Come
You
on.
went to that the which call low?
Nah, it's really like in terms of like you know how the combine 1500
Oh
max
yeah,
per
yeah,
day
yeah,
type
yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah. He said I'm max TP in this.
Fuck you talking about, nigga. Look, I was supposed to hit max TP yesterday, but I closed out on accident when I was in the cell, bro. I closed out on accident,
Oh,
cuz. I was like, ah, fuck. So that ended up being a small win, but it was whatever. Win is a win.
Yeah, I'm break even. It should not come back to what's it called.
Yeah. If I take a break even here, I'm gonna be sick. I won't lie. But at least I won't be a loser on the day.
Yeah, such.
I'm gonna be sick if I take a break even here. But I'm gonna get over that shit. It don't fucking matter. I'm really gonna make an effort to stream every session moving forward too, because these shits really help to look back on. Oh my gosh, Price, you really gonna try to play with me like that? It's
I'm
no
chilling.
imbalance, gang. What are you trying to push
Fuck
up
you, fuck you coming back. Yeah, I'm saying, what the fuck you coming back for?
for? Like, damn, bro. This shit did this
This
shit to
shit
me
in the wood.
yesterday. Like, not gold, but NQ was fake on that with me yesterday. That's why I was like, when I exited on accident, it's because I literally had my cursor on the close position button. Because
Yeah.
I'm like, oh nah, this shit about to do some bullshit. And then I just kind of hit it on accident and I got out the trade. And I was mad as hell because that shit ended up slamming. I'm like, bro, what the fuck?
Like, what the fuck is you coming back to?
I was sour,
This
bro.
shit you come back to.
I was sour, cuz I was sour. But I got over it right then and there. I'm like, yeah, it's whatever. My trade lock limit hit. Shit, I swear it's the best feature that could have ever happened for my trading, bro. My problem, I just overtrade, overtrade, overtrade. So that lock limit be saving me, bro. Should be fucking saving me. I swear to God. All right, nice close. We should, if we come above, then it just simply becomes not a trade for me.
Yeah, so
Like this shit should not come above, bro. Go and do what you do, go.
we should we should just drop. Yeah, I'm saying we should just drop for sure. What time is it? Yeah, we got 5 minutes to 11. I'm
Go
about to
and do
watch
what you
this the
do,
rest of
go.
this on the 15 minute. Yeah, I'm about to watch the rest of this on the 15 minute. Fuck it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, the 15. Yeah, the 15 is nice. 15 is clean. All these motherfucking wicks and shit.
I'm saying, flip that candle low. But what you want to
Holy,
do?
holy, holy crap.
No way. I'm about to get break even.
Holy crap. Holy
I'm about to, I'm about to get break even. Hey, what's up?
Oh, go
Oh,
Valley!
let's go, Wallet. Bro.
Yo, go is tweaking, bruh. Oh, it's about to be a break
Yeah,
even day,
cuz,
y'all.
yeah, I'm break even.
All right,
I'm
come
break
on,
even. Yeah, I'm break
come
even
on.
on the day. So,
You got stopped?
yeah,
Oh, fuck.
my
Yeah,
shit was tight. Like, bro, like it literally should not. Like, yeah, like that shit. Yeah,
Order
what the
filled.
fuck?
oh my God.
Bro, what? Nah, price action is horrible, cuz on the
This shit
set.
about to go
What the
lower,
fuck?
bro.
What? No, I'm cool off the day, cuz. Oh, bro. What? No, that's actually crazy though. What?
I swear to God,
Like
go
the
if you
low,
go
like it
lower,
couldn't
bro.
even sweep the swing low, cuz like it couldn't sweep it, and we was how many ticks we were from this shit? Nah, that's actually crazy as hell. Excuse.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, bro. All you could do is just laugh, cuz I swear to God, all you could do is just fucking laugh.
Yeah.
All you could do is just laugh, bro. It ain't nothing much niggas could have done. Niggas took the most valid setup. Even the market knew it was the most valid. Oh, bro.
Nah, that's OD. All right.
Hey, yo.
Oh well.
Oh.
Hey man, this what come with it. Um, break even is better than loss.
Yeah, for sure.
Uh,
Where
damn, this
yeah.
day about to build character.
Mm-hmm.
not a trade for me. Even if it goes lower, like this
Yeah,
shit.
nah, I'm good off this shit. I got it's yeah, and it's perfect timing because it's 11. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm straight.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Stream. At least we managed to trade properly. We executed flawlessly. We did everything we're supposed to do. I mean, if really ask me, I think I actually performed really well. It's just one of those things, one of those things where you don't get what you're looking for. That's
Yeah, it makes sense.
yeah,
And
bro.
if you really be in the market for it, you know how price been um, kind of ass. They
Yeah,
saying this
bro.
they saying it's the Trump market.
Yeah,
It's like Biden
bro.
market is better.
It definitely was easy.
Yeah, for sure, for
God,
sure.
these
Last year, what
markets.
even like last year, shit was just simple, nigga. Shit was simple.
Hey, man, I'm just
Um,
NQ about to ball. Watch. NQ getting ready to go right back down, low key. I I got my trade lockout set, even though it's one
yeah,
trade per day. That's it. That's it, oh bro.
yeah, no, yeah. I'm done. I don't give a fuck. I'm my own trade lock. Fuck that.
Real. See, that's real. That's tough.
I'm done. Like, quite literally, like price action like this make me not want
He said make you not want to what?
to. It make me not want to trade, folks. It make me not want to like anymore. Like even when I'm in a trade and prices
Oh,
just consolidating, it make me want to get out the. Like I don't even.
nah, for
Y'all got it.
real. For
That shit is
real, bro.
annoying as hell. Like just sitting there, just like usually, cause we so used to. For me, we get in a trade. I bet two 2 to 5 candles smack.
Yeah.
No. Nigga, I'm in a trade one time. This shit consolidated for 30 minutes while I'm in that bitch. I'm saying, what the fuck? Nah, I'm good. I'm
Yeah.
straight.
I'm
But
honestly
what? We don't want
happy
to.
though.
I'm just happy we got a chance to break even. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you
That's
feel
always a
me?
plus. Like you feel me? It could have went straight to. It could have. This could have smacked stop loss off rip. But you feel what I'm saying?
Nah, dead ass.
But
This shit about to
yeah,
fuck
that's
around and go lower now though. That's the funny
if
part.
it
That's
do,
the
fuck that shit.
fucked up part, bro.
If it do, let that bitch.
I can't take it. I literally can't take it even if I wanted to. So it's
Even
D
if you
Street.
wanted to,
It's D
fuck
Street.
that shit.
I just lost a trade.
Back tomorrow.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Um,
Back
what's
tomorrow.
today? Thursday. Today Thursday. Right? Yeah, today Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what? What the fuck is this?
Okay.
What? We were literally like
Okay.
5 ticks away from TP.
This is a valuable lesson right here because I'm looking at this trade, right? And where I entered was good, and literally we managed it perfectly. But remember what I said. This wasn't the free bread entry, and that was
Yeah,
the
free
risk.
bread entry.
That was the risk that we took by taking this trade, and that we knew this could happen. Now,
Yeah.
I took it because just in case it didn't happen. But I think the wiser way to go about these type of situations where we're dealing with a trade that we want to get in because the target is close, I think it's actually more wise to just let these type of trades, like if they wanted to do this, we just let it do that, bro.
Mm,
Cause right here, oh yeah, oh yeah. Once this is ready to go, bye bye. We're coming not to crush this, but we're coming here. We're coming here. Like, yeah, yeah. Valuable lesson learned. I appreciate the loss. Needed to see it play out in real time to refresh my memory. No cap. It's all good. It's all good. All good. Bro, I'm content with the session. I ain't gonna lie. Whatever.
no, because definitely gonna do some reflecting later on. I mean, boom, boom, bow.
Yeah.
Um, and
Uh,
that's how it's gonna go.
yeah, bro.
I'll do my journal. I'm doing shit.
Yeah. Yeah,
Check
bro.
that right there.
I ain't I ain't gonna lie though, after these trading sessions, anytime I think about going to school, that shit fucks my head up, bro. That shit be like, it's like, bro, the last thing I'm trying to do now is show up to some dumb ass class, bro. Oh my gosh. Like,
Except,
bro,
bro, that shit be in the way. I'm already knowing. But cool.
it's just like, damn, son. Alright, well,
Is it real? Is it fake? I don't know.
look, you just want to
I'm
see if
just
this
hoping.
shit end up flushing, bro. I just want to see. I just want to see, bro.
Keep it real.
Gold just went crazy on niggas.
Mm. Do you hear me calling when I'm from your window?
Mm,
This nigga about to blow my shit, bro.
yeah. Hey, hey, stream. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to fuck around. I don't know. I'll probably keep it on. If this starts moving, I just want to watch it type shit. Just literally for the login of the pattern type shit. Like on some mental shit for real. Cause this is really crazy. It always does that shit. It's so tough. Don't worry, Chad. I actually don't care that I took a break even. I'm just really looking at this like, okay, because in real time I'm seeing how even though I caught a good entry, because it wasn't the best one, it still got invalidated. That's why you should wait for the best, absolute best entry every single time. And I think what that comes with is really having a lower trade frequency. But it's like that's tough because that means your win rate is probably gonna increase OD. And that's really what niggas is looking for, bro. I'm not really trying to lose like that. And a lot of losses can be avoided just by being more patient. So let's see what this ends up doing. I'll keep the stream on for probably 10 more minutes. See how these next two candles form and shit. If we start consolidating and shit, I'll probably just end the stream. But I just want to see if this starts to pick up momentum and continues our bias to see the sell. Let's see what happens. Because I could see a scenario where it starts going up, but it's just not what I'd be looking for trading these markets. Yo, you see how all of Maplewood getting rebuilt, cuz?
Yeah, bro. I've been noticing hella construction they've been doing. It's been blowing my shit. They got detours all over the fucking place. Bro, I literally
Bro.
got a fucking ticket the other day because I'm in a rush. They blocked off half of Springfield Avenue. So I gotta go make a detour, man. Man, cop pulled me over talking about I'm going 40 and a 25. I wonder why, my nigga. I wonder fucking why. Like I got places to be. Y'all blocking off the main fucking strip
Nah,
in the
dead
middle of the day.
ass. In the middle
Like,
of
cuz,
the
do this shit
day.
at night. Do this shit and get them big ass lights in the middle of the night and call them motherfuckers out to work. Pay them overtime.
Pay him
Talking about shit. Talking about
overtime.
why am I going 40? Cause y'all done blocked up the whole. Like it's literally a straight drive. I gotta go. I had to do all this rigmarole. Fuck.
Yo.
Yeah, they doing hella construction. I've been keeping around, especially around my crib. Like at one point, they
Yeah.
had a whole whole bunch of bricks outside my, you feel me? Outside my crib. Like right there where on the side of my house. I couldn't even park my, it was hella like it was like fucking dump trucks and shit like that and them, I don't know what you call them shit, them hook shit. They had a whole bunch of those outside my crib and shit like that. I'm like, yeah, they definitely doing some shit. They definitely
bro.
doing something with the tax dollars for real.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, damn, they getting too turned right now. Cause I'm like, yo, we're watching like the transformation happen right now,
In real
like
time.
in real time. And it's like it's been happening the past few years, but now that they really doing work on Springfield and shit, it's like, oh
Yeah, that's where really the
shit,
work is on Springfield, bro.
no
There's been
cap.
multiple occasions where it was like, yeah, they blocked off the road, like what the fuck?
I'm like,
I
damn,
mean,
the
I ain't
town.
mad at it. It's just do this shit at a different time of the day. Do it on the weekend, my nigga.
Yeah, dude, yeah, the middle of the day was a little much. But yeah, this shit, it's just like, I just think when I see shit like that, I just think about how like all the new apartments got built, how the breast stand and all this other shit, like
Yeah,
all
bro.
this,
No funny shit.
and it's like, yo, this shit all happened at the same time. Like, it's not a coincidence, bro. They
Hmm.
like these motherfuckers was working in unison, bro. They had to be,
You know, no funny shit. They're like, yeah, we gotta make this shit better.
no cap, dead ass, like linking up, like, yo, we about to take over this shit.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I'm like, nah, nigga, niggas gotta get rich so I can buy my block. Niggas can't. Niggas can't.
Bro, oh my mother, yo, that shit I had posted today where a big ass compound like my house, my homie house. You know what I'm saying
Yeah,
we
bro.
got like a whole bunch, bro. That shit was like, yeah, bro. Really cause like the cars is cool and everything. You feel what I'm saying? I still want them, but at the end of the day, cause it's about that, bro.
Yeah,
It's about that creating our own shit, land, like
land is
land, bro,
real, for real.
land. Cause that shit gonna go for generations, nigga. A car gonna depreciate.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
no cap.
Car is temporary shit, bro. Like if we aiming for wealth, my nigga,
Hmm.
that's definitely something that need to happen. Cause nobody can tell you shit what to do on your land, nigga.
That's a fact.
Bro,
That's a fact.
nobody can tell you shit. And especially
Alright.
as the economy keep like economy is shaky right now, so it's like they definitely not gonna be able to tell you. They definitely you gonna be good regardless. For real, you gonna be good regardless.
Yeah, shit.
Unless somebody nuke this shit. That's the only way some shit gonna go left with your land, nigga. Somebody nuke this motherfucker.
Nah, that would be crazy. Niggas really came and threw a grenade on your shit, threw hella C4s on your shit, blew that shit up. I would be sick as hell. Yep. Well, it seems like gold just gonna do some bullshit. So, um, yeah, that's exactly why we moved to break even because we understood once it created that bearish, candle engulfing, it really like it really shouldn't validate that high that it created. Once it did that, it no longer became a trade for us. And look at what it's doing now. It's committing to bullishness. It still can go lower, but like, why the fuck would I even hold? You know what I'm saying? It doesn't make any sense. So it's actually perfect execution, perfect trade management. Just wasn't the best entry. And it's one of those trades that just didn't work. It's all good. Don't know what the fuck been going on. You expect me, bro. Damn, low key. Low key. We gonna see, but like low key tomorrow. Low key tomorrow might be my last day trading for the month.
Yeah, I was thinking the same shit because I think about it. Monday's the 29th, not trading that day.
Yeah, fuck that
So it
day.
make no fucking sense. It really don't make no sense. Like for me, it make no sense for real, for real. And I got so much going on Monday, fucking between therapy, the YoungBoy concert Monday too.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so. Like Mondays, yeah. I mean, it might be, yeah. This tomorrow gonna be my last day trading for the month. Let me see something. I believe this month ending on the 30th
Yeah,
or 31st.
30th.
30th, right? Yeah. So literally Tuesday's gonna be the last day of the month. Then we go. Then yeah, but then we go into NFP week. Yeah, nah, nah. Yeah, we go like that shit transitions into NFP week. So
Yeah. Hey, I'm about to.
so yeah, I'm probably good. I probably gonna trade next week. Honestly speaking,
Get back in.
I probably won't even trade next week. Um, just for the simple fact, Monday and then Tuesday is the last day. It's gonna be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but Friday's gonna be NFP day. So it's like, yeah, I kind of just want to see what the market do. But yeah, Monday, Wednesday is the first. Oh, yeah, Wednesday is the first. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah. Set literally. That's the kind of shit.
Hey, stream. That's it. You guys see that the whole price action model just got invalidated. So we were actually flawless in the sense that breaking even was the right play. And look at what happened, right? We got taken out. So, hey, it's one of those days, y'all. You know, you just
Quite literally.
gotta get used to being okay with whatever outcome. And I acknowledged I was gonna be sick of a break even, but I'll be honest, I'm not actually sick. You know what I'm saying? Like it was just like, bruh, it's just one of those things, right? You want to hit TP so you can move the needle the in terms of like just getting the accounts faster, but that's no problem. You manage risk. I know I followed the plan, so I still feel good, and yeah, just gonna show up tomorrow, finish out the month strong, and that's really all I got. Um, so I catch y'all in the next one. And yeah, we gonna try to be more consistent with these streams because it really helps me too. So, um, yeah, bro, everything got to be documented. Fuck it. This don't take like this. I don't got nothing to lose really doing this like that. So it's just like fuck it. But
Yes.
yeah,
Yo, that's funny as hell, cuz. What the fuck?
yeah, bro, niggas don't got nothing to lose doing this shit.
Yes, yo, Doyle took the same exact setup, cuz.
The gold.
Yes, the
Which one?
same
The
exact
one you took
one.
or the one
Nah, the ones we took, the
oh
same, the
East
same
Mac?
exact one. No,
Oh my
bro, he
lord.
got an unprofitable week, cuz.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, bro, it's been a minute since that nigga had real for real. Look,
Damn. I ain't gonna lie. Hey stream, we catch y'all man. I don't want this stream to be any longer. Because when I look back on it, I don't like seeing that it be too long. So I'm gonna end this right now. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good, man. Catch up in the next stream tomorrow.
I'm gonna catch y'all.
Yes, sir.